to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use Proton Drive app to sync files. So guys, if you want to use Proton Drive app to sync files, so you just follow this video. For this guys, first of all you open your Proton mail. First you create your account and properly set up just like a Google Drive. Okay, after that guys, here you see there is a there are four rectangles here. So when you click here you get your Proton application. Now you click here, so it shows your mail, calendar, VPN, sheets, and here is your drive. So when you click it, so it open your drive. So if you want to install the Proton Drive in your system, so they send you the automatically the link where you can download the drive in your system. Otherwise you simply use the web version of this system. Okay, so here it asks you for get the desktop application. So if you install and if you're interested, so you install it, otherwise install and continue, and here you cancel it and continue and get started. Now guys, here you see that my application is now ready. And if you want to sync it with your system, so guys you go for the folders. Here is the files, so you choose the files and folder from here, just select it and open it to upload. Okay, it give you around 2 GB space. Here you can check, and if you get more space, so guys you need to purchase a new subscription and more storage. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.